Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hartford County, southwestern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, western Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 7:45 a.m. At 6:47 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Manchester to near Tolland, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Severe thunderstorms will be near Rochester, Grand Manchester, around 7:55 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and Russell around 7:20 a.m. East Hampton and Southwick around 7:25 a.m. Northampton and Williamsburg around 7:30. Granby, West Hampton, Grand Village, Chesterfield around 7:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. 7:25 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Northampton and Williamsburg. If you hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Here is a special weapon on the lowest floor of a building. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts: